Installation of the decorative panels. Depending on the wall bed model, the next step can vary. Lay the decorative panel so that the side with the most holes faces the ceiling. With small screws, solidly attach the hooks that will support the decorative panels. Locate the half-drilled holes. Note that the raised part of the hook must point towards the bottom of the panel. To identify the bottom of the panel, locate the holes to attach the handle. The handle will be installed at the top of your panel, so the raised part of the hook should point in the opposite direction. Finally, install the handle to the panel. Repeat these steps for each decorative panel. At this stage, there could be slight differences depending on your wall bed model.